What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Waters, aka Ghostman FPV, back again with another video. Just got this in and I think I know what it is. If I don't, that'll be kind of embarrassing, but let's see. I don't have a knife for some reason. I had one here, but this will work. The box is kind of packaging's kind of funny, but it came from China, so yeah, this is it. Perfect. Okay, so I went and got the PIDZoom fast charger or smart charger or whatever you want to call it. I guess the smart charger HW170. I guess these are instructions. Yeah, we work on it later. Just gonna try to unbox it real quick, see what's in here. Okay, we got, I guess this is the main cable with the XT90 to XT60 looks like. And this should be my, I have the Lynx obviously, so this is the connector for the Lynx. And you can buy whatever one from them that you need that corresponds with your wheel, of course. Then you just kind of plug it in, this in into the charger, and off you go, basically. So that's that. This is probably the power cable. Yeah. Standard power supply cable. Came with it. I wanted to get the Roger charger, but I tried contacting him a couple of times, and for whatever reason, I wasn't getting a response. But his chargers are supposed to be really good. But unfortunately, I couldn't get that one. I got this one, which I hope is actually pretty good too. I'll try to see if I can zoom out a little bit. Hope this one's pretty good too, but haven't heard anything bad about it. But sit that there. I like the way it looks. I like the casing on it and everything. But let's try. I want to try turning it on. Yeah, this is going to be a pretty short one. Just wanted to show you guys, you know, this one. I don't know if, like I said, I don't know if this is better than the Roger charger or just as good, worse. I don't know. I don't have experience with any of them. The one thing that I noticed about this one that I didn't care for, that it doesn't have this is where you, well, I guess you tune the, I don't know who this is, so it naturally calls me, call them back, but yeah, it's a little fan noise, but it's no worse than the stock one, but anyway, you apparently you turn this dial in the back, that kind of purplish color, and this indicates the voltage. This is from 80 to 170 volts. But what I don't like is that it doesn't have the decimal point. So you can only, being as though I have a Lynx, I can only go to 151, not 151.2. It's not a big deal, but I noticed on the Roger charger it did have that decimal point, you know, for the voltage and everything. And strangely enough, it has a decimal point on the amperage, which I would assume would be less important to have that. But hey, you know. But technically, I'm gonna be probably using this. I don't know if that's right, but that says 36 volts to 70. I thought it was 80, but I don't remember. That's strange. That's a big that's a big gap right there. But anyway, it seems like, you know, it's fairly small. I wouldn't say that it's lightweight, because it may even almost be a little heavier than the stock charger, which is kind of disappointing because I plan to carry this with me on long trips. And oh, and also I also got this from Alien Ride, and so this is basically the J1771 or 1772 adapter. So you just plug this out an EV charger and plug in your charger here. And to my understanding, this thing automatically switches. So it'll take an input of 110 to 240, I believe. So it'll automatically switch over to the 240 once you plug it into the EV charger, because you have to have 240 to charge at the EV station. So yeah, so I got this. So I'll most likely on my longer rides, I'll carry these two together just in case. So far I haven't had, in my travels, I haven't had any complaints as far as range goes on the Lynx. It's pretty much gotten me everywhere I needed to go on one charge. But you never know. I haven't really gone on any super long group rides or anything. I've been trying to work on one of my Apex. I just noticed that was in camera. But yeah, so basically I'm gonna be using this and taking this one with me. Now basically on the advertisement, it said that well, it didn't say that it came with the case, but it showed an image of the case on the picture. So I don't know. I actually didn't get that. I would have liked to. So I may have to either buy a case or find one somehow. But I like the way it looks, you know, and everything. And it's a nice looking charger. And I mean, as long as it works, great. Like I said, the only gripe I have honestly right now is that I can't adjust that voltage range to a decimal point over, but it's fine. You know, I'll set it to 151 and that'll be fine. When I'm at home, I'll put it on the slow charger and I'll let it sit and balance and all that good stuff. And obviously you get two of these pigtails, because if you want to charge at higher amps, you want to plug both of those in. And also came with the little instruction manual. And I guess you can go to that QR code, and I'm pretty sure it may just give you more information or whatever. But also, I've been wearing this watch on my rides, which I don't know why it's not coming on. But I thought the battery was dead. But I've been wearing this watch, and I mean it's big as hell. But I'm able to actually install EUC World on it. I think, yeah. So I'm able to install if you can see that, it's lights and stuff in the way. But if you see, I'm able to install that, which I thought was cool. But I've been running into some problems with it that I solved, like I would say 95% of it, because at first I couldn't get my helmet beeps, because I wanted to have my phone connected to my helmet so I can at least get phone calls. Everything else was supposed to run through this watch. So I actually even have a SIM card in here, so it gets its own data and everything. But a few problems I ran into. Well, one, I saw that I couldn't figure out how to connect two devices to my headset, which I end up doing that. So that worked. So I was happy about that. And my next problem is actually there's no, I'm guessing there's no GPS on this watch. I thought it was, so I can't see my GPS speed in the app. And I may play with it a little more. I could have swore when I bought this watch it stated it had GPS, but maybe it's not on or something. But, and the last thing is, which is actually the, I would almost say the detrimental thing, is that for whatever reason it disconnects from the wheel like every, I guess it has a pretty weak or bad or low quality Bluetooth chip in this watch or something, because it just disconnects intermittently, just randomly out the blue. And I'll look at it sometime and it's disconnected, sometime it's on. I haven't been able to figure that out. I think because it was also connected to my phone so that I can share data or share things between the phone, and you know, just it does little stuff between the phone. So I disconnected that thinking maybe the GPS, I mean, no, not the GPS, the Bluetooth would have a better connection, and it didn't. So then I end up disconnecting my helmet headset and the phone, and then the Bluetooth seemed to be more stable. But that doesn't help me, because now I can't hear, I'm not able to hear my beeps or anything through the helmet, so that's not going to work. So I don't know. I thought this was a good idea, but I think I'm going to go back to using my Samsung watch, my Galaxy watch, because it was just a lot more seamless experience, and I didn't have to worry about how I was going to connect to my helmet and the wheel. And sometimes I want to listen to music or a podcast or something while I'm riding, and it just gives me a lot of Bluetooth issues. So I don't think I will be using this. But for those who maybe don't care about having the beeps in their helmet or something like that, it's probably perfect for that, because I think the Bluetooth is pretty stable when the wheel's the only thing connected to it. So if you can do that and you're fine with that, then it's probably perfect, because I've been, you know, like everybody else, I've been wearing my phone on my wrist, on my, you know, and it's just big and bulky, and I like to just put my phone away and just use this, and this is just a lot easier to just glance at it and keep going. But apparently I won't be able to do that. Well, I mean, unless I'm willing to settle for the periodic disconnects. So, but I don't know. But anyway, short video today. Just wanted to talk about this charger I just got in about an hour ago, and you know, see what you guys think about it. And if you know more about it than I do, just leave a comment. You know, drop a comment. You know, ask me any questions. I just got it, so I'll be learning about it over the next, you know, week or so while I'm riding. So I'll probably be able to answer any questions. I know sometimes it takes me a while to get back to comments, because I do work every day. So, you know, and I have a kid, so a lot of stuff's going on. So sometimes it takes me a while to get back. So if you ask me a question or something, I'll definitely get back to you, but sometimes it just takes me a while, so don't think I'm just ignoring it or something. But I have a lot going on here, so, and plus, you know, gotta work, because, you know, I buy all of my stuff. I don't get anything for free. No one sends me anything or anything, so I buy everything, so I gotta work every day, and there you go. Take it how you want. But anyway, your boy G Waters. See y'all a little bit later. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Everybody stay safe out there. Peace.